Hello everyone, welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the language on ChatGPT in 2023. Now there are different kind of ways to change the language on ChatGPT 3. There are actually two different ways, and this will be the same on any browser that you're using. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, what you can do is you can right click here, you can go translate to English, right? And this will translate ChatGPT to English. But let's say we want another language, right? What we can do is we can choose another language, and we can choose, for example, Bosnian right here, as you can see. And we can click translate, right? As you can see now, we basically translated the language, right? But what if we want to, okay, let's switch it back to English. So let me just go here and let's switch it back to English right here, translate. And now let's say we want to actually speak in a certain language with ChatGPT. What we can actually do is we can speak with ChatGPT in, for example, Deutsch, right? What we can do is, let me just go here, translate, and then let's go from English, since I only know English, to German, right here. Hey, how are you? Then what we can do is we can copy this, we can go here, paste it, right? And as you can see, let's go back to the new chat actually here. And what we can do is we can go here and just paste it here. And as you can see, it will talk in your language actually. So it also talks in your language. You can do that. What you can also do is you can translate things. So translate, how are you, in German, right? So as you can see, that's basically how it works, right? So these are a couple of ways how to change the language on ChatGPT in 2023. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.